Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday I was coming home on the tube here in London, and next to me was a young mother with her kid who was about 11 or 12 years old, I'm guessing. And the kid was desperately trying to persuade her mum to let her install Instagram on her phone. She was reeling off a big long list of reasons why she needed it. All of her friends were using it. It would help her stay in touch with everybody. People would laugh at her if she didn't have it. It would boost her self-confidence. She'd be able to work on her image, and on this list went. The mum sat there very patiently listening to all of this, and at the end of it she said, "Yeah, listen, be that as it may, you're still not having it on your phone, okay?" If you say "be that as it may," it basically means that you accept the truth of what someone's just said or of what's just been said, but it doesn't change your opinion. So maybe you've made a joke that's in bad taste or that's upset somebody, and you try to apologise by basically saying, "Hey, listen, I was only joking, okay, come on." The other person might respond by saying, "Be that as it may, it was still really hurtful and the joke was in very bad taste." You sometimes use it in the same sentence to comment on what you've just said yourself as well. So you might say something like, "Getting the computer system in the office fixed won't be cheap. Be that as it may though, it still urgently needs doing." And sometimes you might use it when you're discussing problems or difficult situations with people in your life. So maybe your wife has decided to ground one of your children to make sure that they stay at home in their free time for the next few days or the next week. And you discuss this later and say, "Listen, I know that what the kid did was wrong. I know they were out of order. Be that as it may, I still think the punishment is a little bit harsh." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "be that as it may."